Every night, there's one thing more blinding than speed on our roads. It's drivers who keep their high beam on. This one single habit can make driving a guesswork for anyone who's coming in the opposite direction. It doesn't just irritate, it kills visibility and slows reactions. In that moment, you're not lighting up the road, you're actually taking it away from someone else. The high beam has a very specific purpose. An open highway, no one ahead, no one approaching you. Everywhere else, you just dip it. One thumb, 1 second, that's all it takes. We all want to get home faster, but blinding others won't do that for you. So, tonight, quite simply, please break the habit and dip that beam.